Ever feel like your codebase is a tangled mess? Today, we're learning how to create branches in GitHub and keep your project organized. First, navigate to your desired repository on GitHub. Make sure you're logged in. Look for the branch drop-down menu, usually labeled main or master. Click on it. A box will appear in the text field. Type the name you want for your new branch. This name should be descriptive, like feature, new login, or bug fix, broken link. Once you've entered your desired branch name, click on the Create Branch button, followed by the name you just entered. This will create a new branch and switch you to it. Now you are working on your newly created branch. You can make changes to the code, add new features, or fix bugs without affecting the main code base. This process creates an isolated environment for development, enabling experimentation and preventing accidental disruptions. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you can create a pull request to merge your branch back into the main branch. Branching is a crucial part of version control and collaboration, so go forth and branch away.